Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Hey guys, so we are in, as you can tell by the wall decal, we are in the Glamour Girls room. We are about to style it up for the holiday season. Now, some of you asked, where did Sir Charles go? You saw me, I think I posted on Instagram. Let me say this real quick. If you're not following me on IG, you need to do so because I show sneak peek of things there before I ever record and edit to show it on the YouTube channel. So if you're not following me on IG, you may have missed some of these things. However, I've uploaded a quick video of my family tree that I call the Hudsons. You'll see that in another video. And many asked what happened to Sir Charles, because if you remember, Sir Charles was the fall tree in that same space in the living room, and he was not there, and some of you noticed it. So I wanted to share with you guys where Sir Charles got transferred to. He has made his way into the Glamour Girls room, and so as you can see, he's sitting here. He is in same state he was in before I glammed him up for the fall. So he is about to get a glamorous makeover in the signature platinum and blush style. So I wanted to share with you guys, this is where Sir Charles is. And then let me share with you some of the ornaments that I'm going to be styling with for this particular tree. I just pulled out, you guys, I didn't purchase anything new this year. Some of these items I purchased during the haul. I'll share them with you from last season, off-season sale. So here I have had these, you guys, for so very long. This is, if you've been with me for a while, I'm sorry for the rattling. These ornaments, you guys, are, oh my goodness, years old, because I styled with them for the very first Christmas tree that I ever posted. My Razorback retro tree was red, black, and white, and those ornaments were part of that collection. So that's how long I keep my ornaments. I don't throw anything away. I just kind of repurpose them or rework them with other tree designs. So that is from there, but I don't think I'm going to use them in here. But I want to share with you guys these beautiful ornaments here. I don't remember where I got them from. Let's see if it's on here. $15.99 Designer Excellence. I'm sure, of course, they were an off-season purchase. Oh, these are about 4 years old, and I purchased them for a Glamour Girl tree. So, yes, these are, oh my goodness, a little, I mean, I'm probably like 5 years old. I've never styled with them, so these are gorgeous. Let's see what else is down in here. These are pretty. Guys, this is how old this is. This says, let me pull back, Garden Bridge. That's before it changed to the At Home store. That's how long I've had these. So several years ago. Okay, so cute there. And I pulled these out already. I am so in love with these. When you buy off season and pack things away, and then you go back and unbox the things you've already purchased, it's like you're shopping all over again for brand new items. So I have those there. Then I have, now these are the ones that I purchased last year in 19? I purchased these in 18 because I knew that I was going to do the platinum theme in the girls' room. So just really cute. I know that these came from Walmart off season. So, and these as well. These were purchased from the store that I took you guys on a field trip there. Obsessions. I purchased these there last season. They were, I think, 80% off of that price. I got this ribbon from there as well. I did a complete haul with these, you guys, and show you how like I always tell you, and matter of fact, I may have mentioned it in my last video about planning off season. No, I did it in my live. Think of your themes off season and then begin to purchase accordingly. Like this was 80% off, and so it's $9.99. So I paid like $2 for this. This beautiful ribbon, you know, also 80% off. And I purchased, I know that's a tree skirt down in there. So just beautiful little ornaments. I knew that I wanted to do this theme. And so there's another box, let's see, that I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, here it is, you guys. I'm so excited about this box because look, OMG. I am so loving these, and this just gives me all kinds of flashbacks, you guys, because all of these were part of that same tree, the retro with the red, black, and white, and I had the bling on there because it was in my salon. the very first video I ever uploaded, which was, I believe, 6 or 7 years ago. That's how long I've had these. So all of this was already in my inventory, and I'm pulling them together. Again, that was with the red, black, and white tree. I just pulled in the pinks, and so that shows you how you can just build on items that you already have. So I purchased these, what, 8 years ago. Purchased those about 2 or 3 years ago. I know that was a part of a haul. I think it was the first haul that I ever uploaded, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. So I've had all of these items for a very long time, and I'm just now pulling them in together to create the perfect space for the Glamour Girls. So I'll give you all, you can see a little sneak peek there, but I'll give you a full tour as I finish styling it up. So I probably won't do a step-by-step with you guys, just the reveal. I just wanted to share with you some of the items I'm going to be using. I don't think I'm going to use pics on here. Don't quote me on that, but we shall. Okay, you guys, here's a real quick, literally impromptu DIY. I am pulling my inspiration from this ribbon that I purchased last season, off season after Christmas sale at like 90% off. And then I have this beautiful bling wrap that was sent to me by Natalie and the crew over at Totally Dazzle. And I thought, how fun would it be to give this ribbon that I got off season also last season, give it a nice little glam over, mimicking this particular ribbon. Not exact, but to tie in with the whole Glamour Girl, diamonds and pearls type of theme for this particular room. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here it is, our Glamour Girls Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. You guys know that throughout this series I have displayed to you some very unique tree toppers. I decided I wanted to do something totally different than your typical bow or star, or not even floral picks on every tree. I have so many that I've styled this year. This baby is number, probably the 4th that I'm showing you guys of 10. And I wanted to just do something different and give you guys a variety of ways to style your trees. This is so very, very beautiful, you guys. The pictures and video is really not doing it justice. I absolutely love this. This is one of the hanging spears that I got from Ross Home Stores, and I just decided to make it my tree top because it ties in perfectly with the bling wall decal that I have here. So very fitting for our glamour girls. Then I used ornaments, and then I came in with the ribbon. You saw me do that quick little DIY with the custom ribbon, and did it not give it a glam over? Honey, this is gorgeous. I love the ribbon. Love, love, love it. So inspired to do other DIYs using that Totally Dazzle bling wrap, you guys. It is amazing, and you can do so many things with it. I am loving all of the ornaments, you guys. Everything was purchased off season. Nothing was purchased at full price. Nothing for this tree was purchased this year. Actually, everything here, as I stated previously, is from other trees or other off-season sales. I absolutely love when a plan comes together. So very stunning, you guys. This is just, oh my God, so gorgeous, so glam. Love, love, love the variations of the blushes and the pinks, just beautifully tying in together with the theme of this space. This is a 6-foot tree, you guys. This was Sir Charles. He has been revamped again. So stunning, so beautiful. And I just went ahead and used the pillow that I've had for about 2 or 3 years now from Hobby Lobby, just to style the bottom. Of course, we will add little gift boxes in the coordinating colors later, but I wanted to just come along and share some of the beautiful details of this tree. I absolutely love all the little crystals hanging. Everything just ties in just so perfectly together. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So yes, 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 the glamour girls will be very pleased with this particular design. At least I hope they will, because it was a labor of love for our babies. I call them our babies, y'all, but they're big girls. Like the youngest is 13, so we don't have any little babies, but I still love to just shower them with just labors of love. So I'll give you guys another overview, because I'm loving the little vignette that I created over here on the side table. You guys have seen this room tour before, but that, for those that are new, this lamp is from Burlington, and I just adorned it with a tassel, a curtain tassel from Ross Home Stores. I love the charcoal because I do a mixture of the grays in here with the blushes, and so that's a staple in the room. And so I just went ahead and added this beautiful little bling reindeer vignette here. I found the sleigh this year. Now that is the new purchase. I found that sleigh, and I've already had the reindeer, you guys. And I thought it'd be so cute to have them here as if they were about to take off. And so up top I have our dear sweet Rudolph. Now the perfection would be if I could find, I'm going to be looking for just a cute little red piece of bling to put on the nose to signify that that is Rudolph. But I absolutely love it, love it, love it. So cute, so cute. I hope I don't knock that over. Okay. And so yes, I love it, love it, love it. And then we're gonna move over to the bed, just tie everything in together. But I love this, you guys. So sweet and fitting for our babies. And any guest that stays in the room will enjoy it as well. But it's designed with our glamour girls in mind. So here is the wall decal, and how I like them, how they're kind of just sporadically placed all over the wall, to give just a variation of dimension and just interest on the wall. So very, very cute. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I so love and appreciate you. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. I have so many more beautiful videos to bring to you guys, as this may be tree number 3 or 4 that you're viewing in the Deck the Hall series. There will be 10. Most of them will be displayed or showcased individually, but I will have them all in my final Deck the Halls Christmas home tour, so you don't want to miss that. Also, if you're not already, follow me on IG, TMB Designs 2, also on Facebook, TMB Designs 2. There you get a sneak peek of all the things that I'll share eventually on my YT. So until the next video, you guys have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful, glamorous day. Smooches.